How to contact Roblox customer service. So first, go open your browser. I will be using my Safari. Type in roblox.com.support. From here, you can input your personal information and the issue that you want to raise to Roblox. Now, there is another way to get into this. So exit the browser and open your Roblox application. Click on this three lines icon on the bottom right corner. Now scroll down to help, and in this page, click on anything among these articles, and under this, you should be able to see need more help, contact support here, so click on that. This will bring you to the same page that we typed in the browser a while ago. So just input your contact information as well as your issue details. After that, click on submit and just wait for Roblox to get back to you to address your concern. So that is how to contact Roblox customer service. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.